All right, so one more example with polynomial long division. This go around, we are using long division to find the quotient and the remainder for the polynomial x to the fourth plus x squared, or 6x cubed, sorry, plus 2. And we're dividing it by x minus 1. So is this in standard form? Yes. Does it have missing terms? Yes, so we have to be careful here and remember to put them in. Now, all of the examples here and all the examples in the homework, you're dividing by a simple linear factor, but this algorithm works perfectly fine for dividing by any degree of polynomial. It works just the same way. You just do more multiplication when you add each term into the quotient. All right, so we have x to the fourth, we have 6x cubed, we have 0x squared terms, we have 0 x's, and we have a 2. All right, and we are dividing by x minus 1. So, same story as before, right? We've got x to the fourth over x, so that first term is going to be x cubed times x, x to the fourth minus x cubed. And again, we are subtracting, so be mindful that you're subtracting. So we've got 6 minus negative 1, so that's going to be 7x cubed. And we're bringing down the x squared just for good measure. 7x cubed over x, of course we're getting 7x squared. So 7x cubed minus 7x squared, and we are subtracting. So the x cubes will cancel. We've got 0 minus a negative, so plus 7x squared. Bring down the x term, 7x squared over x. We're going to get 7x. Imagine that. So we've got 7x squared minus 7x, and we are subtracting. So the x squares will cancel. I have 0 minus negative 7, so that'll be plus. And then we're bringing down the plus 2. So 7x over x. So we get 7. So 7x minus 7, and again, subtracting. So our 7x's will cancel. 2 plus 7 is 9. So we have our divisor of x minus 1. We have our quotient, capital, lowercase, it doesn't matter. I guess we're using capital here. That is x to the third plus 7x squared plus 7x plus 7. And our remainder, which is 9. All right. So when we write our p of x, our polynomial, in the form d of x times q of x plus r, so the r is really 9 over x minus, well, we won't go there. So we'll just say, so p of x we can say is x minus 1 times x cubed plus 7x squared plus 7x plus 7 plus the remainder of 9. And there we go. So again, not a factor for this one, but we have divided it fully. Okay, so the next part is going to be about the remainder theorem, and I think that that is a good place to stop.